Hey everyone, you may be coming across many videos these days about Bartleby, saying it's Chegg alternative. One of my subscribers also requested me to make a video on Bartleby. So if you want to know more about Bartleby, if you want to know how much you can earn, is it really a Chegg alternative? Keep watching this video. Also, I have recorded subject test in this video for you in case you want to have an idea the kind of questions they ask during subject tests. My name is Trilekha. I make video on parenting, English grammar, work from home ideas, personality development and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. So before I talk about Bartleby, I have something important to tell you that can be useful for the students. So if you know anyone who study in 9th or 10th in Maharashtra board especially, Unacademy is offering very reasonable package in just ₹99 for 9th and 10th student, especially for Maharashtra board. Even if you are not in Maharashtra board, I think you can go for it because most of the topics, especially in 10th class, are similar. They give live lectures. You can study all subjects in Hindi, English and Marathi language. If you miss live lectures, you can get access to the same lectures in a recorded form later. To avail this benefit, you can use my code which is given here and also in the description box. Bartleby is also one more platform where you can work as Q&A expert. You can answer questions posted by students and earn money online. The good thing is you can use your mobile and laptop both here. Before I talk about more, let me answer the question whether it is actually Chegg alternative. Truly speaking, till now I haven't found any website that can be Chegg Tutors alternative. Now coming to Chegg Expert, Chegg Expert is well-known, well-famous website. Many of my subscribers have already started working there. They're answering questions, they're earning money. The question flow is good there, almost, but not every time. So I don't think Bartleby can be a good alternative or alternative for Chegg, but definitely in Bartleby, the competition is relatively less. So you should apply here because the chances of earning and the chances of getting opportunity are more here. Graduates or undergraduates can apply here. If you're undergraduate, you will have to submit your ID card or maybe any semester's mark sheet. Two things are must here. Without that, you cannot proceed ahead, and that is email address and your phone number. Other than this, PAN card, Aadhaar card and your address proof would be needed when you will try to fill application form. They make monthly payment. Now let me give you a little idea about how much they pay per question. It can vary from $1 to $3. Suppose you're answering computer science question, then you may get $3. If you're answering electronic questions, then you can get up to $2. So it varies as per subject and question. Now let me walk you through the process. Before that, I also want to tell you that they accept handwritten answers, but obviously if you are giving handwritten answers, it should be neat and clean and it should be clearly understandable so that in future you can get more opportunities. Now one more thing I want to tell you, since I have tried to attempt this test only for you, okay, I wasn't giving this test, so don't try to judge my answers because I was just clicking anywhere to go to next question, and there were 20 questions for maths. I selected maths as a subject and the time limit was 60 minutes. So I was just trying to click on any option so that I can show it to you. Alright, so let's begin. So first you go to Google and type Bartleby Expert and you will see first option experts.bartleby.com. Click on it and you will be directed to this page. As you can see here, to apply you have to click on this apply now and then create your account. So I'm putting my first name, last name, then email address and then password. Once you're done with all these things, you can click on sign up. Now there are few steps to fill this application process. The first one is, first we have to tell about ourselves. So we will be filling our educational qualification and all. Then we will take subject test and then we are going to watch training videos. After that, based on that training video, again you will have to give a test on authoring guidelines. Okay, and then last step would be uploading documents. So it's a 5-step process, and I have tried to do it till 2nd step. So first step would be filling your details, your bachelor's degree, master's degree, subjects, your availability and all. So let me type my mobile number and then my email address. So you will have to appear for test based on the subjects you have selected here. So I am going to choose maths for myself. And the second one also I am going to choose something related to maths only. So I have chosen statistics and probability here. Now put a tick mark here. And submit. So in the next step, you're going to, first before going ahead, you have to verify your mobile number and email address. So once you click on verify, you will get an OTP on your mobile number which you have mentioned. Once you complete this step, you will be directed to next step, which is taking the test. Okay, so I'm going to take the test here, and we will get 2 chances here. 60 minutes is the time, and we will be getting 20 questions. So initially I have tried to do it sincerely for 5 questions, then I realized why I'm doing that. I mean, I don't want to register here because I am already busy. But yes, just want to show you all, I wanted to record these questions, so I kept on clicking anywhere so that I can go to next question. And yes, it has 10th grade question, 11th grade, 12th grade. So from here, I think you can see other questions now. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Do let me know in the comment section how do you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching me.